Bruh, fucking stop. What the fuck was that?
Ooh, that was a cover cough.
You tried the fuck out of that. You really tried that.
If I was coughing like that, would you come save me?
Oh
I'm just
my
gonna look at me
God.
like that.
I'm just trying to figure out what you coughing off of.
God forbid it was something detrimentally wrong with me. She would have just been looking at me. I'd have been passed out while she over here comfy and cozy. Again, all snug bug in a rug, tucked and covered.
But don't do that.
You see how she ain't come out that blanket not once. Not once did she ask me, are you okay?
Babe, it looked like you was trying too hard to cough. What the fuck? Girl, you something else.
You have really changed. You have really changed.
Ooh, stop.